If you're seeing x.com or Twitter error code 32, don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step way to troubleshoot it and get back to using your account normally. This kind of error can happen for a few different reasons, including temporary account restrictions, browser issues, cache problems, VPN conflicts, or a problem with the specific post or page you're trying to open. So instead of guessing, we're going to work through the most effective fixes one by one. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's jump in. First, it's important to understand what the error is pointing to. In some cases, the page or tweet you're trying to open may no longer be available. The post could have been deleted, the account could be suspended, or the user may have blocked you. So before changing anything on your device, try to confirm whether the problem is with one specific post or with your entire X account. If only one post is not loading, search for the profile manually and see if their account is still active. If other pages load normally, then the issue may not be with your browser at all. Now, let's move on to the first real fix. Clear your browser data. Cached files and cookies can become outdated or corrupted, and that can cause strange errors on X and Twitter. If you're on Windows, open Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or whichever browser you use, then press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. If you're on a Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete. This will open the Clear Browsing Data menu. From there, select cookies and cached images and files. Make sure the time range is set to all time, so you remove anything that may be causing the issue. Then click Clear Data. After that, close and reopen your browser, or refresh the X page and try again. If the error is still there, the next thing to try is a private browsing window. Open an Incognito or private tab, sign into X again, and test the same page. If it works in private mode, that usually means the problem is stored in your regular browser session, like cookies, extensions, or cache. In that case, you may need to clear site data again or disable any browser add-ons that could be interfering. Another common cause is a VPN or network conflict. If you use a VPN, proxy, or ad blocker, turn it off temporarily and reload the page. X sometimes flags certain IP addresses, especially shared or data center IPs, and that can trigger unexpected errors. Also try switching networks if possible. For example, if you're on Wi-Fi, test mobile data, or if you're on a work network, try a home connection. A different network can immediately tell you whether the problem is related to your internet connection. Next, check for account restrictions. If you see the error while trying to follow, unfollow, like, repost, or perform a lot of actions quickly, X may have temporarily limited your account. That doesn't always mean something is seriously wrong. Sometimes it's just a rate limit or a short security restriction. If that happens, stop repeating the action and wait 24 to 48 hours before trying again. Repeated attempts can sometimes make the restriction last longer. If you still can't fix it, try logging out of X completely and logging back in. Then check whether the issue appears on another browser or another device. This is a simple but very useful test because it tells you whether the problem is tied to your current browser setup or to your account itself. If the error only happens on one device, focus on browser cleanup, extensions, or settings. If it happens everywhere, the account or the page itself is more likely the cause. You should also make sure your browser is fully up to date. An outdated browser can sometimes struggle with modern websites and scripts. Update it, restart it, and try loading X again. If you're using the mobile app, update the app from the App Store or Google Play as well, since app bugs can also cause login or loading errors. At this point, one of these fixes usually solves the issue. Clear the cache, test incognito mode, disable VPNs, switch networks, or wait out a temporary restriction. The key is to work through the steps in order so you can identify the real cause instead of wasting time guessing. If this video helped you fix x.com or Twitter error code 32, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. That really helps support the channel and lets me know to make more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.